Hey guys. Alright, so this is my update that I said I was gonna do. Uh sorry. Sorry. I I just took cough medicine. Uh alright. This is what so far. It's 1:38 in the morning. I've been going at this since my last video. Basically, why is this like this? Alright. Basically, it's pretty obvious. This is the red. I just actually washed it out and put it back in because it didn't cover all the orange. And I still man, every time I talk. Alright. I still have yet to do the side right here, the blonde. Alright, but all the rest, everything that's clipped up all this is all black. And to be honest, it's looking pretty freaking awesome. Cause I just put the black down like before, which here's a tip, alright? If you're dyeing underlayers, don't ever take the top layer, like this for instance is black, and put it down on top of the red, because it'll take forever to separate, especially especially when it's wet. I'm sorry about the coughing. It's actually pissing me off. So apparently pills have flavor. Where is this light on the camera? Apparently pills have flavors now. Like, who knew? Let's see how great that makes me. Ah, bright. Yeah, apparently pills have flavor now. Like the pills my mom bought me, they're cold medicine pills, and they are so disgusting. But they're like a cool blast. It says cool blast flavor on it, and I didn't even know pills have flavor. But I can understand that because like when it sits in your mouth because you can't swallow it, it tastes really nasty. Like I don't know, to me it just tastes gross and powdery. And then but like the flavor, the cool blast flavor tastes like mint, sort of. So yeah, this is all manic panic in my hair. I've never dyed my whole head manic panic before. So nice to be back in black. But I did like my hair before. It was actually pretty cool. My friend did that. Yeah, so I'm sitting here drinking my lemonade. And yeah. Text you, hold on. I've went through a whole bottle of water today. Oh my god. A whole bottle of water. I don't drink water. Like, ever. But I was craving it. And then my phone. Still got this same crappy phone. I'm trying to get a new phone, but I don't have $100. T-Mobile sucks. But that's a completely different story. I ain't gonna do that. I like my phone. Alright. Look at my background. Awesome background. And I understand if you can't see it that great. There it goes. See, T-Mobile sucks. But they're so cheap. Alright, so that's it for the video. I'll make another video probably tomorrow. I'm gonna take pictures. I think I have a Facebook for like this YouTuber or whatever. Probably don't. And I don't want to give out my personal YouTube. So, I don't know. I'll figure something out. Okay, bye.